Are you struggling with unresponsive buttons on your iPhone, but you need to turn it off and on? Well, in this video, we're going to show you not just one, but two methods for powering off, restarting, or even turning on your iPhone without relying on those buttons. The first method is very easy, and you will open the settings on your iPhone. Then open the General section by tapping here, and once you open the General settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you can see the Shutdown option. It should be right under the Transfer or Reset iPhone button, and when you click on the Shutdown option, it will activate this shutdown screen. Simply slide at the top to power off, and that's it. But another way to power your iPhone off is to open the main settings page one more time. And the second method on how to power our iPhone off is by using Siri. So we will go over to Siri and search, and we have to make sure that either Siri or Hey Siri is enabled right here. After this step, you want to activate Siri by saying, Hey Siri, power off, or Hey Siri, shut down the iPhone, or something similar. And this little prompt will show up over our screen where Siri will ask us to confirm that we want to power off this device. Just say yes, or just click on this power off option, and your iPhone will now be turned off. And that is how to power off the device. But what if you want to turn the phone back on, but your power button or lock button isn't working at all? Well, all you have to do in order to turn your iPhone on is to connect it to a charger. So just get your Lightning or USB-C cable and then connect your phone to the charger. After you do that, you'll see your Apple logo over the screen, and just wait a couple of seconds until your phone turns on. And those are the two methods on how to turn your phone off if those buttons don't work, and also how to turn it back on if the power button isn't working. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.